Hi guys, good day. My name is Mike.
My name is Michael.
And Luke.
So today we are going to show you the basic functions and how to use the DMM and the breadboard. The objective of this video is to familiarize the students with the operation of DMM and breadboard.
Multimeter or a multi-tester, also known as VOM, volt-ohm meter, is an electronic measuring instrument that combines several measurement functions in one unit.
So we have here the DMM model is Victor 81G. We have here the probes, the black probe and the red probe. The black probe is for the negative, and this is the negative socket. Plug it inside here. The red probe is for the positive socket. This is the positive socket. Plug it inside. To test if the probes are working, you need to turn on our DMM and point it to the continuity test. To test, touch the end of the probes, and you should come out with a 0 or near 0 output. As you can see, the result is 0. That means these probes are working perfectly.
The next function is the resistance test. Switch the pointer to the ohm symbol. I have a resistor and let's check its resistance. But a reminder, while testing the resistor, avoid touching the metal piece that is connected to the resistor because it will alter the result. Just wrap this metal piece around the probe in order to get the exact result. As you can see, we have an exact result of 268.4 ohms. Let's try another resistor. So this resistor has 178.7 ohms. So that's how you get the resistance.
Next is the voltage test. This DMM has the ability to test both direct current and alternating current. Switch the pointer to the voltage. For the direct current testing, I have a battery here. So let's check the voltage. The result is 3.99 volts.
So next, the current testing. As you can see, we have three options here for the current testing. So we have the microampere, the milliampere, and the 10 amperes. So they offer the same function. It is the current testing, but they only differ for their conversions. So for now, let's focus on the milliamperes. So to demonstrate, as you can see, we have here a basic circuit consisting of a battery, a resistor, and the connecting wires. So let's check the current. So as you can see, this one got 0.83 milliamperes.
So next, let's proceed to the diode test. Right here. I have here a diode. This diode has two parts. The gray one for the negative and the black one for the positive. So the result is around 0.509 volts or 0.508 volts.
Breadboard is a construction base for prototyping of electronics. It is called a solderless breadboard. It does not require soldering and it is reusable.
So we have a breadboard right here, and let's name the parts of the breadboard. So we have the terminal strips, the power rails, and the DIP supports. On some other breadboards, they have the binding posts that are located in this part, but this breadboard doesn't have one, so let's just focus on this part. Underneath these holes are metal strips that are responsible for conducting electricity. The orientation of metal strips under the terminal strips are horizontal, while on the power rails are vertical. On top of that metal strips are the metal clips that are holding the metal pieces of components. So next are the power rails. Now that we've seen the connections to the breadboard are made, let's look at a larger, more typical breadboard. Aside from horizontal rows, breadboards usually have vent or called power rails that run vertically along the sidelines. So what I have mentioned, these are the power rails. These power rails are metal strips that are identically to the ones that run horizontally, except they are typically all connected. So these are connected like this. They are connected. They are connected. In this video, we learned that in using the DMM, we must insert the probes properly and correctly in order to avoid ruining the DMM.
In using the breadboard, we must insert the components properly and avoid tapping the components are not supposed to be connected because it might destroy the components.
We learned that the breadboard and the DMM works together, as the breadboard plays as a platform for the experiment, while the DMM checks your components.